Hello, friends. Welcome to your very own YouTube channel that is Budding Journalists, and I'm Vinay Kulkarni to talk to you on your very favorite subject that is mass communication and journalism. But more interesting, today I'm going to speak to you very informally on a very different topic. Of course, it is related to mass communication and journalism, and the topic is about selecting master's degree courses in mass communication and journalism after your graduation. Today's video is mostly about those students and their parents and all those who are associated with education and those who are opting for going for courses after graduation in mass communication and journalism. Friends, there are lakhs of students who pass out from the graduation every year, and many of them are aspirants for doing master's degree in mass communication and journalism. But frankly speaking, very few have the information or have incomplete information or have wrong information about the field of mass communication and journalism. और यही एक बात है जो हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं कि हम ये बताने वाले हैं कि मास कम्युनिकेशन और जर्नलिज्म में अगर आपको मास्टर्स डिग्री करनी है तो ये मास्टर्स डिग्री है क्या, इसमें क्या क्या होता है, इसमें कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं, और this is going to help you to take your decision after graduation whether you feel yourself fit to go for to pursue a career for mass communication and journalism. So as I said very informally, kind request to all the viewers to share this video as much as possible and help all those students who are passing out of their graduation and planning to enter into the field of mass communication and journalism. As you know, after graduation, any 2 years course which is done is the master's degree. Or you can put it the other way, if it's a master's degree, let me tell you very directly, it has to be a 2 years degree, right? Now, when you say master's degree and post-graduation in mass comm and journalism, let me first tell you what is the basic requirement or what is the basic eligibility for this getting admission to this degree. And the eligibility is mostly in maximum universities and colleges, it is any graduation, any graduate. आपका graduation BA, BCom, BSc या B कोई भी हो, any graduate is eligible to go ahead for the degree of mass communication, master's degree of mass communication and journalism. This particular degree throughout India, let us talk at the scale of India, this degree is addressed or it is entitled in different terminologies. जैसे ये डिग्री के अलग अलग नाम हैं. I'll give you a few examples and you can also see them. They will be displayed step by step on the screen. This degree by some universities and colleges is called as Masters in Journalism, MJ. Some call this particular degree as Masters in Journalism and Mass Communication, MJMC. In some institutions and organizations, this degree is called as Master of Arts in Journalism and Mass Communication, MAJMC. Some call it as Master of Science. In some colleges and universities, it comes under the science stream. It is called as Masters of Science in Media and Communication Studies, MSMCS. And finally, there are a list of different names and abbreviations, but I have given you a few clues. Finally, it is also called as Master in Communication Studies, MCS. तो आप ये जो डिग्रीज अभी आपने देखी, इनमें से आप नाम पे ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं. सिर्फ आपको ये देखना है कि जो आप डिग्री करने जा रहे हो उसमें जर्नलिज्म, मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड जर्नलिज्म एंड कम्युनिकेशन स्टडीज़ ऐसे वर्ड्स है या नहीं है और इनका सिलेबस क्या है. सो लेट मी टेल यू, दिस इज अ 2 years फुल टाइम डिग्री कोर्स, करेक्ट, वेर एवर यू डू इट अक्रॉस इंडिया इन एनी यूनिवर्सिटी और एफिलिएटेड कॉलेजेस. एक चीज़ आपको मालूम होना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि when you are doing your master's degree, try to understand the meaning of masters. आप उस डिग्री के बाद 2 साल के बाद आपको मास्टर्स कहा जाएगा। इसका मतलब है, ये एक्सपेक्टेड है कि जो भी फील्ड आपने चुना है उसमें आप मास्टरी हासिल करें, करेक्ट? तो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग master's degree in journalism and mass communication, I would also like to highlight a few fields of specialization जिसमें वो 2 सालों के दौरान आप स्पेशलाइजेशन कर सकते हैं। और कई यूनिवर्सिटीज और कॉलेजेस they specify, they mention कि what is the specialization you will be doing when you are pursuing your mass communication and journalism degree. I will mention a few specializations. आप जैसे जर्नलिज्म में स्पेशलाइज कर सकते हो, आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट में स्पेशलाइजेशन कर सकते हो, आप पब्लिक रिलेशंस में स्पेशलाइजेशन कर सकते हो, आप वीडियो प्रोडक्शन में स्पेशलाइजेशन कर सकते हो, आप मीडिया रिसर्च में भी स्पेशलाइजेशन कर सकते हो। एंड देयर आर मेनी अदर फील्ड्स ऑफ स्पेशलाइजेशन, हियर आर अ फ्यू टू मेंशन। नाउ इन व्हाट to select your specialization depends on the college which is offering you the degree. Are they having specialization in that particular field? And it also depends on your interest. Now coming to the subjects which come in the degree of mass communication and journalism. I told you about the various names by what the degree is called. Of course, I don't claim that these are the subjects, but these are the general subjects which are covered by all universities and all colleges when they design the syllabus for this particular course. Now, why am I telling you so much in detail about the subjects before you selecting the course? I'll give you an example. एक एग्जाम्पल ऐसा है जो एक मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है। एक स्टूडेंट था जिसको स्टूडेंट का जो इंटरेस्ट था, वो इंटरेस्ट था उसको बनना था डायरेक्टर, फिल्म डायरेक्टर या टेलीविजन एपिसोड्स का डायरेक्टर बनना था। And he had heard from certain people that mass communication and journalism course करो तो you can become a film director. अब बात ये हो गई थी कि इंडस्ट्री में कुछ लोग हैं, एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में, जो फिल्म डायरेक्टर्स है, एक्टर्स है, एडिटर्स है, बहुत कुछ अलग अलग अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। इन्होंने मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड जर्नलिज्म उनके ज़माने में किया था, and they happen to be in that particular field. But these are very few exceptional examples because mass communication and journalism has nothing directly to do with filmmaking. ये जो स्टूडेंट था जिसको फिल्म डायरेक्शन में अपना करियर करना था, ये आ गया था एडमिशन लेने के लिए इस कोर्स में मास कम्युनिकेशन और जर्नलिज्म की मास्टर्स डिग्री करने में। अब हुआ ये कि जो काउंसलर था वहाँ पर, जो एडमिशन करवाने वाला जो पर्सन था, वो भी कुछ खास इतना एक्सपर्ट नहीं था। उसने पूछा क्या करना है आपको लाइफ में, तो वो लड़के ने कहा, वो स्टूडेंट ने कहा मुझे फिल्म डायरेक्टर बनना है। बोले कोई बात नहीं, ये मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड जर्नलिज्म का कोर्स कर लो और फिल्म डायरेक्टर आप हो सकते हो, इसमें वो भी सब्जेक्ट है। Now see, I will be speaking about such career options. No doubt film production, film direction, documentary making, short film making, drama, all these are अंडर द अम्ब्रेला ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड जर्नलिज्म, पर उसके लिए एक अलग सा वीडियो बनाएंगे। बट राइट नाउ व्हाई एम आई सजेस्टिंग दिस सब्जेक्ट्स? सो दैट यू सी, यू स्टडी दिस सब्जेक्ट्स एंड यू चेक वेदर यू आर हैविंग योर इंटरेस्ट इन दिस सब्जेक्ट्स। अगर आपको ये सब्जेक्ट्स इंटरेस्ट के लगते हैं, अगर आपको लगता है इन सब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में मुझे आगे पढ़ना है, मुझे मास्टरी करनी है और उसके बाद में मुझे इन्हीं सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ काम करना है, इन्हीं फील्ड्स में काम करना है, तो ये सब्जेक्ट्स आपको हेल्प करेंगे आपका डिसीजन लेने में। सो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस टू द सब्जेक्ट्स। इफ यू ऑप्ट फॉर द कोर्स इन मास्टर्स इन मास कॉम एंड जर्नलिज्म, लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट्स which you will be studying in this course. One is communication basics. It teaches you the basic communication. Next is practicing journalism. It comes directly to the core field, that is journalism. Then it is print journalism. It is about newspapers and magazines. Then it is about electronic journalism, radio, television. Then it is about digital journalism, which is called as new media journalism with the help of internet, that is online journalism. It also includes, this course includes something which is as interesting as advertising. Then it has mass communication. Then it has television, the other genres of television channels other than news channels. You know, there are so many genres of television channels, whether they are about entertainment, that is daily soaps, travel, food, etc. So those channels and their studies. Then it is about if you are in core journalism, whether it is print or electronic media, you have various beats to study. Now, what are beats? Say you are doing journalism in politics, you are covering culture, you are covering sports, you are covering entertainment. So these are the beats. You can go according to the interest that you have. Then you have social sciences in this course. Then you have media technology. I'll tell you the reason for that, why media technology is a part of this course. Then you have audio, visual, journalism. Of course, it is again a part of these different platforms. You have a very important subject which is media research, because let me tell you, nowadays no decision in media is taken without doing any research. Then you have a very uh, blooming field in journalism, which is in mass communication, actually, I should say, which is public relations. You also have radio, as I already told you, because nowadays you have traditional radio running with private FM channels, which are very much popular nowadays. And coming towards the end, you have media ethics, because as a media professional, when you go into the field of mass communication and journalism, you need to follow some principles and ethics of doing this particular business, of going through this particular profession. तो ये आपको आइडिया देगा। आप बार बार इस वीडियो को देखिए, इन सब्जेक्ट्स को देखिए, इन सब्जेक्ट्स को गूगल करके आप आगे बढ़िए, इन सब्जेक्ट्स के डिटेलिंग में जाइए, क्या आता है इन सब्जेक्ट्स में, और क्या ये सब्जेक्ट्स आपको अपील करते हैं कि मैं इन सब्जेक्ट्स में करियर करूं। इफ मोस्ट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स, सी केयरफुली लिसन टू मी, इफ मोस्ट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स आउट ऑफ दीज एंड अदर्स विच यू कम अक्रॉस द सिलेबस, आप सिलेबस पढ़िए। You go to various university sites, find out the journalism and mass communication courses. What subjects I told you, see, Google those courses, see what they are offering you. और अगर इन सब सब्जेक्ट्स से, इन सब टॉपिक्स में से मैक्सिमम टॉपिक्स अगर आपको इम्प्रेस करते हैं, आपको इंटरेस्ट के लगते हैं, in which you are ready to pursue your career lifelong, because see, when you take a master's degree, you cannot turn back. You have to go ahead in life, correct? And you have to check whether these subjects will impress you, will interest you to continue your long-term career. Then you are the right person to take admission in the course of master's degree, that is do post-graduation in mass communication and journalism. When we do counseling of students, formally and informally, as today I am talking to you mostly informally, many times a question is asked कि हमें यूनिवर्सिटी से या वो कॉलेज से, इंस्टीट्यूट से जो ये कोर्स ऑफर कर रहे हैं और जहाँ पर हम ये पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, उनसे क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए, क्या देखना चाहिए when we take admission as a student for this post graduation course. Teachers who work according to the ethics of education, we always tell the students कि first thing which you check is the credibility of the organization. जिन यूनिवर्सिटी से, इंस्टीट्यूट से आप ये कोर्स करने जा रहे हो, उनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी सोसाइटी में कितनी है. सेकेंडली, वी आस्क देम टू चेक वेदर दैट पर्टिकुलर university department or that particular college institute has adequate infrastructure, whether they have good classrooms, whether they have ICT facilities, projectors, screens, then computer labs, whether they have their studios, because see, you are doing your course in mass communication and journalism where you need to do practicals a lot. You can distribute this course as 30 to 40% of theory and 60 to 70% of practicals, so you need to check the adequate infrastructure. You also need to check whether that particular department has competent faculty which will take you throughout the course and give you sound training in these subjects. You need to check the fees which those departments, institutes or universities are offering you. There are various ranges in fees. The fees should be affordable. If you have a high budget, you can go for high budget courses. Otherwise, there are very good universities and institutions which offer you very reasonable fees. Then you should check. This is very important. You should ask them when you go for inquiry, do you conduct study tours? Do you conduct visits? Because you just cannot sit in your institute or your department and study about journalism and mass communication. So, study tours and visits, they are a very mandatory part of this course. Next, you also check whether they give you internship opportunities. Because once again, whatever you are taught in the department, correct, whether it is theory or practical, you need to go on field and see. You need to work in newspapers, you need to work in television channels and see how the things are working out right now. That is internship, and many internships are later converted into job opportunities. So you have to ask them, do you offer internships? Then you can also ask them about their placement records. Correct. How many students have passed out every year? How many students are passing out every year? And where are they employed? You can also ask them for references of such students. And you should also check whether overall grooming as a media professional, are you confident on visiting that place, on meeting that people? Are you confident okay, you can be groomed into a professional media person? If you feel that confident, if you feel most of these factors are being offered to you by that particular department, I would say you can go ahead for taking admission in that particular department, whether it is of a college or of university. Just a hint for you students, आप समझ सकते हो कि किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में या डिपार्टमेंट के बारे में आप जाओ और वहाँ पर इंक्वायरी करो एज अ न्यू स्टूडेंट, तो ऐसी जानकारी आपको दी जाती है जिसमें आपको काफ़ी इम्प्रेस किया जाता है. एंड इट इज़ बट ऑब्वियस बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो नीड एडमिशंस एंड दे ऑल्सो हैव टारगेट्स टू फुलफिल देयर एडमिशंस. तो ऐसे वक्त आपको कौन गाइड करेगा कि वेदर यू शुड ज्वाइन दैट पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट और नॉट? तो आपको मैं एक बहुत आसान एक आइडिया बताता हूँ कि आप जब इंक्वायरी करके आप थोड़ा सा उस कैंपस में घूमिए, आपको कुछ स्टूडेंट्स मिलेंगे. आप उन स्टूडेंट्स से जो वहाँ पर, एक मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि एक दो स्टूडेंट से पूछिए, इन जनरल वहाँ पे ग्रुप्स होते हैं, वो 2-3 ग्रुप से आप मिलिए, अलग अलग ग्रुप से, और उनसे पूछिए कि भाई मैं यहाँ पे एडमिशन ले रहा हूँ, तो should I go ahead with it or not? And believe me, the students who are in that department or who were a part of that department, alumni, these are the perfect people who will tell you whether to take admission or not. Coming to the last part of this video, many students at the time of counseling again ask us कि मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि मैं इस कोर्स के काबिल हूँ या नहीं हूँ? Should I take admission for this course or not? At the stage of graduation, these students and their parents have problems whether they are fit for this course or not. So I have made a list of some qualities. Of course, we will be highlighting the qualities one by one. First, you should be passionate about reading and reading a lot of genres. Second, you should have writing skills. You should be able to write various genres, not as a very trained one, but at least at the amateur level. You should have those writing skills. Thirdly, you should have grammatically correct language skills. This you may find as a very basic point, but it is very important. A very high accent of language is not expected, but it is expected in this field that you speak grammatically correct language. And knowing more and more languages, whether they are of different states or foreign languages, they will definitely help you in this particular course. You should have good communication skills. Are you able to communicate well with people? You should have a pleasant and a presentable personality. You should be humble. You should be polite, but you should be confident. You should have a strong understanding of the different issues which are going in and around you. You should be creative, and you should have an inquisitive mind. You should ask questions. You should have the nature of finding answers. Most of all, you should be multi-skilled. The more skills you have, I have read certain skills in the qualities which I have mentioned above. The more skills you have in this particular field, the more perfect person you are for the field of mass communication and journalism, because this is a field of skill sets. And lastly, you should be an ethical person. You might have heard a proverb we used to say, Jack of all and master of none. But in the field of mass communication and journalism, this proverb has changed. Now, in this particular field, you need to be a jack of all and master of one. आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा व्यूअर्स तक, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचाए, स्टूडेंट्स तक पहुंचाए, पेरेंट्स तक पहुंचाए, ताकि उनको पता चले which field are they going to enter when they will be entering the course of masters, that is post graduation in mass communication and journalism. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Take care and see you soon with one more episode of again a counseling in other fields of mass communication. Take care. Thank you.